Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through plenty of videos on face detection and face recognition, such as using tkinter library, using OpenCV, using Streamlit, using face login, and our latest videos are about MTCNN. As we have gone through few videos on MTCNN, such as face detection and recognition using MTCNN, then face recognition using mask images using MTCNN, and emotion recognition with multiple faces using MTCNN. Today's video is really special and creative. It is all about face recognition using MTCNN and FaceNet in really creative style. So please watch this video up till end. We'll go through the program code first. So I have used tkinter library here. I have used date time Pickle. I have used. We have seen in attendance system. We have seen lot of videos on using Pickle. I explained in my video also what is the concept of Pickle. Now we'll tell you where the MTCNN is there. Here we can see main.cy. Then here we can see FaceNet, PyTorch, and now I will execute the program Pickle file. Yes, a nice screen is displayed in front of you. So first of all, I will register my ID 123 registered, and name has been added. Yes, fine. Now I will log in. Yes, name has been recognized and probability 70%. So I successfully done with face recognition. Here also probability is mentioned. I successfully done with face recognition using MTCNN in really different and creative style using FaceNet and MTCNN. I hope you like this video. It's very creative video. You can use this concept in attendance system, in organizations and in college. Really creative style. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on face recognition and face detection in different manner using MTCNN, using, if possible, support vector machine, if possible, attendance system using MTCNN in different style. And we have seen one video on MTCNN attendance system. And if possible, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and web development using Python, and more videos on SQLite. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.